So today we're in Fleetwood, which is in the Fylde coast, and the helicopters hovering above, which usually indicates there's something interesting going on the floor, down below. So I wonder what's going on. He's backing off a bit now. Okay. Look what happened. This old bloke here, he's feeding the seagulls. He's not having much success though. He's throwing down the food. And the birds are a little bit aware of him. He looks a nasty bugger too. Perhaps they're not liking his food. He's trying his best. Throwing a few strips of, I don't think it's bread, I think it's wholesome food that seagulls like. Burgers and chips and things. And he's give up. But hang on, the expert comes out now. She's doing it and she's making a better job. Look at the seagulls there. They're all over the place. Throwing them about. They're loving it. She must be a real expert at it. What a girl.